What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super fun video. I'm with Emily, she's right there, but I'm also with my sister Casey and her boyfriend Mason. Casey has never been to Galaxy's Edge before. That's where we are walking through right now, and she's never been on Rise of the Resistance, so we're about to go there for the very first time for her and get a reaction. So we did get boarding group 14 this morning, and before we head to our boarding group, we got a reservation for Ogus at 9 o'clock in the morning, so nothing like starting your day at Ogus Cantina. Let's go there right now. To be honest, this area is super empty. Early in the morning, I was expecting it to be a lot more busy than it is. Super empty if you all want to get some pictures out here in front of the Millennium Falcon, but we're heading over to Ogus Cantina right now. Well, everyone, we are literally the first people here in Ogus Cantina. No one else is here. Literally no one else. This is so cool. We got the best seat in the house. Drinks have arrived. So everyone, I got the Yub Nub, which comes in the souvenir glass, $45, but you can get it without the souvenir glass, which is $16, which is what I did. And Casey, welcome to the channel, Casey.
Hello.
Got the fuzzy tauntaun, has never had it before. Give it a taste.
It's really good. It's just the fuzz on top is kind of the bubbles.
What? Just wait.
Funny.
It'll make your mouth numb. Just wait. Oh.
That was all
Fuzz.
I can feel the tip of my tongue.
And then Mason got the
My
Jedi
tongue
mind
is
trick,
numb.
which I've gotten before, y'all have seen. Nothing fancy with that one, but yeah.
Try this.
As we were sitting here in Ogus Cantina, our boarding group for Rise of the Resistance was called, and we'll be heading there after we finish our drinks to see Casey's reaction for her first time riding it. Alright, Casey, you ready for Rise?
Yes, I'm excited.
What's your prediction? You think you're gonna be scared or what?
No, I don't really get scared of rides, so I think it's gonna be fun.
I can't wait to hear it. I'm gonna replay that scene where she says, I'm not gonna get scared, I'm gonna cut it to where you get freaked out.
Why would I get scared? I don't think this is gonna be a scary
If you hate
ride.
stormtroopers, you're gonna hate this.
Oh. Stop, Mason. Cameron, stop. They're preparing their order.
It's hard. Why are you leaving?
Getting ready.
When interrogation begins, I will call for each color individually. As you are now 4 separate units on 4 separate colors, we will keep this simple. As you'll find only the colors now move your feet. Meaning quickly, 4 of you are assigned to what color? Blue. Let's hear one follow.
Evident now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. Base. And then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Casey getting her first blue milk.
I'm excited.
What's your thoughts?
It's good.
Pretty good?
Yeah, not my favorite, but it might be because of the paper straw.
Try it without it.
It's good.
Pretty good?
I don't know how to describe it, but it's creamy. I really like it.
It's not like actual milk.
I know that.
Looks like we already got some smack talking going on between Casey and Mason for Mania.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. He thinks he's gonna win.
But Casey, you're gonna win?
Yeah. What are your thoughts?
I've beaten her every time. How many times have we been here?
I don't know.
And we already know who's gonna win ours. It's me.
Okay, that's not fair.
Why?
Because I could really blow you out of this park. You don't even know.
You've never beaten me before.
I know, but like, you never know. First time for everything.
You've had
Cocky
multiple.
that you think you're gonna win.
You say first time for everything, but how many
First time
times?
for everything.
How many times have we ridden this before?
Okay, but like, you never know.
Okay, we'll see after.
It's just cocky.
I'm gonna win. It's not cocky when you're right. Let's go, baby. That's a dub. 308, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Best in vehicle, best this hour, and best all of today. Let's go. All right, everyone. So Mason beat Casey. Casey ate her words that she said she was gonna beat him, and now we're heading to Rock and Roller Coaster. But let me tell you, it is an extremely, extremely hot day today. So if you are coming to Disney World in the future or in the summer, prepare for this heat because it's absolutely insane. In case y'all didn't know, Beverly Sunset store is now open here on Sunset Boulevard. This is the exit only, and if you go down there is the entrance. The store is now open. It has been closed ever since the parks reopened. So everyone, we are now leaving Hollywood Studios and heading over to Magic Kingdom because those two have not been to the Magic Kingdom since the castle was blue and looked like this. So it's going to be a huge surprise for them, a huge shock when they see all the decorations and now the new 50th anniversary decorations. And Emily hasn't even seen those as well.
I haven't seen them at all.
So we will see y'all when we get there. We have finally arrived at the Magic Kingdom, everyone. Let me know down below in the comments, what are your thoughts on the brand new castle decorations for the 50th anniversary? So Casey, obviously this is your first time seeing it with the new paint job. What do you think?
I think it's so pretty. I love the pink. Adds a little girly touch. I think it's perfect.
Emily, what do you think of the 50th?
I love the decorations. They're so pretty.
There we go. I guess 10 out of 10s from both of them.
I can't stop staring at it.
Welcome to Thunder Mountain. Woo! Starting tomorrow, Emily is going to be working at Big Thunder Mountain.
Yay! Come
No
visit
more
me.
festivals.
No more festivals.
We are heading into Tomorrowland right now, and everyone look, the People Mover is back, finally. After a year and a half, the People Mover is back. We are back on the People Mover, everyone, for the first time in over a year. Let's go check on Tron.
While visiting this land of tomorrow. Inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
All right, everyone, we have made it to Tron Light Cycle. Here is the current construction updates. As you can see, nothing's been going down on the ground area, but the coaster looks almost completed with the canopy to be completed later this year. Let me know down below if you're excited for this to become open. Probably next year in the Magic Kingdom. We have stopped about 4 or 5 times now on the People Mover, and now we're inside of Space Mountain. Oh, lights are back off, but it's breaking down a lot today. Oh, we just stopped again and moving backward. It just keeps breaking down.
It's the longest I've been on a people mover before.
We might get evac, I have no idea, we'll see. That'd be kind of cool.
I wouldn't be surprised, honestly.
Stop number like 6 or 7 now, and we're stranded by Space Mountain. So who knows, we've been on here for about 20 minutes. I don't think we're ever getting off.
Anytime. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you. Thank you.
It would be so fun.
And here comes the cast members, everyone. Uh-oh, coming to evac us off of the people mover. Well, everyone, we got evac'd off of the people mover, but unfortunately they wouldn't let us film backstage because, you know, there's top secret stuff back there that y'all can't see and that we can't film. But we're now heading into Liberty Tree Tavern to have dinner. But that is going to be the end of today's video. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, bye everyone. Bye. Okay, no one's saying bye.
Bye. Bye.
Peace out.